Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and we are back with another tech unboxing. Today we have with us a Lenovo Tab M8, which is an HD tab. Let me show you around the box, then we'll go ahead with unboxing. So let us see on the sides first. Nothing. Yeah, some icons. So we come to the back. What does it say? Premium metal design. So this is a metal tablet, so that is one of the primary reason why I bought this. Powerful chip, we'll talk about that later. Long battery life, Wi-Fi 2. So this is dual bands, that is one of the good things. So it will work with 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Android technology. And yeah, the CPU of this is MediaTek Helio A22 tab, and the color of this is iron gray, and this is Wi-Fi. So this does not accept SIM. This is the Wi-Fi only model, and this is 2 GB. The RAM of this is 2 GB, and the memory of this is 32 GB, which is expandable up to 128 GB via memory card. So the display is a 8-inch display. More on that later. And the resolution of this is 11280 into 800, and I think the nits of this we'll see later. Android. So the Android of this usually in the website when I bought this, it was listed as 9 pi, but here I can see is they have upgraded it, and this one contains Android 10. So that is one good thing. Battery of this is 5100 mAh. Again, in the website it was listed as 5000, but this one is a little more, 5100 mAh. Yeah. All right, what else do we have? Yeah, the model number, serial number, made in India, so that's good thing. It's a made in India one. And now, what is the MRP? Let me just see. The MRP of this is 14,000. It is listed there, but I got this for 7,000 during the offer period. So keep an eye out for that. Usually it sells for around 9,000, but if you buy this during the offer period, you can get this for as low as 7,000. That is my personal experience. So at the bottom it says TUV Rhineland certified. So low blue light. So TUV Rhineland, actually they give certification for displays and all other things. So it is good for your eyes. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. To the both side. Okay, slides right off. So we are greeted with the phone first. So let us keep that aside. What else do we have? We have the SIM ejector tool. We have the documentation. So anyways, this does not accept SIM, so that will be used for your micro SD slot. So we have the power cable. Is this USB-C? No, sadly this is micro USB. This is an older model, so yeah, can't complain. And we have the power brick here. I think this is a 10-watt charger. Yeah, this is a 10-watt charger from Lenovo. So let us keep that aside and bring out the tab itself. Ooh, metal backplate. That's nice. So this is the 8 megapixel primary camera with autofocus and Lenovo branding in the side. So we have a Dolby branding also here. So this is Dolby audio. That is nice at this price point. That is quite nice. Little bit of information here, a sticker which will come out. At the bottom we have the primary mic, and we have the charging port here, micro USB. On the side we have the power button. This is textured. So Lenovo, yeah, it follows like the Motorola pattern. Lenovo is the parent company of Motorola, so the power buttons are always textured. That is a good touch. And we have the volume up and down keys. The keys are quite clicky. That's nice. So coming to the top, we have the speaker at the top. Okay, usually it's in the bottom, but it's okay. And we have the headphone jack here, 8 mm headphone jack. That's nice. And we have the memory card slot here. All right, front we have the screen. This is the 8-inch screen, and we have the front facing camera. This one is a 2 megapixel camera. All right, so let me tell you a little bit more. Yeah, so quite nice, very sleek. This one is 8.1 mm. This is the width of that, very sleek, I would say, quite light, and the screen goes up to 350 nits. That's also nice. So let's go ahead. I will set this up and I'll see you in a moment. So I have set up this phone and this is the display. Let me just increase the brightness. So full brightness. This is the 8-inch LCD screen, LCD IPS screen, and the brightness of this, it goes up to 350 nits. So quite nice. Little bit, this is almost stock Android, but it has a little bit of some apps that was already installed, but it's mostly pure Android, no skin on top of this, so that is one good thing. And yeah, the first impression is quite good. I like this. Is quite, it's a very value for money thing. And another thing I would like to clarify, this is not full HD, this is just HD, 1280 into 800 resolution. So guys, if you want to see the review of this, then subscribe, and if you did, then stay tuned. I will be doing the review of this very soon. Also, I would like to show you, I got a few case of this. So this is a case from Freedom. That is a lot of cases out there, but you have to be careful that the case that you buy is compatible with the Lenovo. So you have to be careful about the cutouts of this, and the rocker, the volume rocker, and the power button cutout. So this is a good, very good fit, good protection for your tab. I'll put the link of this also below. Another thing which I got is a Jigza. I'm not sure how it is pronounced, Gizga or Jigza essentials. So both two layers of protection, so your tab won't get bad. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, like this, like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here.